Hey friends, it's Rachel and I hope you're all doing really well. I know it's a really weird time at the moment, so I wanted to continue kind of bring you guys some very easy content to consume, hopefully keep you guys a little bit distracted and keep you in high spirits. So today I thought I would do just something very simple, a nice everyday kind of look. I thought I'd do it like a shop your stash style video, drugstore edition. So hopefully these products are something that you already have in your makeup kit, and if not, you'd probably have something very similar. Want this to be really easy and accessible in case you guys want to put some makeup on, feel a little bit better about your day, and let's just get started. So I have brought out my whole stash of drugstore makeup. I haven't planned exactly what I'm going to do today. I thought I would just come and see what's in here and kind of build a face based around maybe discovering some old favorites, some forgotten gems. All right, I think I'm going to do a glowy base. So I've chosen a Wavy Glow from NYX. You guys would have seen this strobing cream in a few of my looks already. Oh, it's kind of chunky. This isn't off, is it? Maybe shopping my stash was a bad idea. Look, if I get a rash after this, do it for the content. So I'm just popping it on the high points of my face, like my cheekbones. A little bit around the forehead, the nose as well. Just anywhere I want to reflect the light off. And then straight over the top, I'm going to do my mix of my Fit Me foundations. I'll leave the shades down below. So I have a few concealers to choose from. They're all actually quite well loved by me. I think I will just go with the Infallible because, I don't know, I just feel like it. The Maybelline ones are a little bit thinner. They're a little bit more like the NARS Creamy Radiant, Natural Radiant Creamy. You know the ones. They're a bit more like those, whereas this one's more like a Tarte Shape Tape, that kind of consistency. A little bit on the thicker side, so you don't need a lot at all. I'm just gonna dot the tiniest bit just directly over the dark circles. Then with my teeny sponge, I'm going to gently dab that. This isn't going to be very transformative makeup. I just kind of wanted to do something in case you guys might be working from home, or maybe you just want to feel a little bit more polished and put together so you feel a bit more productive about your day. I know I definitely feel a little bit better about myself when I am a little bit more put together, although I definitely do work from home in sweats and no makeup more often than not. For powder, I'm choosing the Flower Beauty Miracle Glow Satin Finishing Powder. I'm just going to tap that tiny bit to set the concealer, then the rest of the face with a makeup brush. Let's bronze up the face, and of course I'm using my butter bronzer. What else would I be using? This is my most used bronzer now for a while, ever since, I don't even know what video that was, but the video where you guys all recommended for me to go out and try Physicians Formula butter bronzer. How right you were, but I would absolutely love it. So I'm just buffing that all the way around the hairline and also into the cheekbones. And then around to the jawline as well. And then I think because I want this to be quite an easy look that you could throw on before, say, you had a Skype meeting that you forgot you had, I'm going to use my bronzer through the eye as well. I'm just going to tap some bronzer on this outer corner, right there, and then work it in circular motions. All the way in, sorry for the traffic, all the way into under the brow there. So just continue buffing. until there's not much product left, and then just go windscreen wiper motions back and forth for a really diffused but sculpted eye look. Then I'll just take a step back and see how I'm going with the shape, and then just kind of adjust where I'm adding some more color. So I just want it to be a bit of a V shape to sculpt that area, with most of the pigment around this outer edge, and then very lightly blended inward. Okay, I've got a nice bit of shading in the eye there, and then now I'm choosing between these two very loved palettes. This is the Flawless 4 by Makeup Revolution, and then this is the NYX palette. It is the Warm Neutrals palette. I think I'm gonna go with this guy. I haven't used this in a really long time, so that's what Shop My Stash is for. Don't really know where I'm gonna go with this look. I think I'm gonna go in with this peach and maybe also this guy. Yeah, why not? A mix of these two. And I'm just going to define this little wing shape we've created a little bit more. Dipping back into my bronzer. Gonna connect that to the lower lash line. Then, just to add a little hint of something to the eye, I'm gonna add, I don't know which one of my Master Chromes. Maybe this guy. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. You guys know how much I love this highlighter. I'm going to go right in the center of the lid. Oh, pretty. Just blending the edges with my fluffy brush. Then on my little pencil brush, I'm going on the inner corners as well. And then while we have it out, I might as well highlight the rest of my face. So cheekbones, and I like to blend that up into the brow bone. And then also up in the forehead, where your face would naturally catch the light. Just in this area here. Then just on a finger to the tip of the nose. And then just here between the brows, kind of where the nose dips. This is looking so pretty and natural and glowy. I want to add some more color to the face, so I'm going into, oh my gosh, do you remember when I got this? The e.l.f. blush palette. It was one of your recommendations, and I was obsessed for a while back there. So I'm going to use this. Oh, what would go better with this look? Maybe this will go better with the tones we've got going on the face. And I like to place my blush quite high now, kind of all the way on the tops of the cheekbones here. Find that it lifts the face a little bit better than when you kind of do it on the apples. Your face tends to look a little bit more droopy. I don't know if that's the right word, but it definitely ages the face a little bit more when the blush is very low. So I'm just keeping it kind of on top of the cheekbones, and then I want to do a little throwback while I've got my throwback blush palette out. I'm gonna go across the nose bridge. Lately I've just been doing the tip, but let's do it. Like a nice old school sunburnt flush straight across the nose bridge, and then blend it all the way in to the rest of the blush. And then with whatever is left on the brush, just going to follow where I did my highlight, just to tie in the rest of the face and also the chin, so that we're not just red there. It's kind of like we're flushed all over. Oh my god, I love it. I haven't done a nose flush in so long. It feels a bit weird, like a bit e-girl to do it now, but it's still cute. I like it. It's making me want to put freckles on my nose bridge, but that's not the brief today. The brief is natural, schnatural. Let's do some brows. I recently got my brows laminated, and then obviously we're all in self-quarantine now, so absolutely no one outside is seeing my brows, but they look good at home to me. So I don't really need to use a whole lot of product anymore, but I am going to go in with my Revlon ColorStay Brow Creator. I like how fine this pen is. Let me know what you guys think of fluffy brows, if it's still a trend that we are enjoying. Are we gonna go to skinny brow soon? I feel like the skinny brow might make a comeback. I don't know. I'm enjoying these laminated brows though. But last week when I did like my Y2K transformation video, I really ended up liking how the skinny brows look on me. Let me know what you guys think the next trend is. I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Not necessarily a drugstore product, but it is very affordable. So it's actually my favorite setting spray at the moment. Of course, I'm gonna use my Paradise Extatic. It's only a mascara I use now. I'm just gonna do a nice light coat because I'm kind of liking this very natural bare eye look. Don't want to put my lipstick on yet because that means the video is over. I'm gonna go over my beauty spots. Remember when I used to do that all the time as well? This video is feeling like a throwback video. I'm using the same brow pencil, the Revlon one. And then the lip combo of all nostalgic lip combos, the Butter Glosses by NYX. This is a combo that I use for like, I don't know, a few months there. This is the Red Velvet mixed with the Creme Brulee. I'm gonna start with Red Velvet. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I've actually really enjoyed filming this. I wanna be a little bit more active on YouTube now. I'm currently doing once a week, but I wanna try and do a couple more videos than that. So I know we're all kind of trying to hopefully social distance. Guys, please be social distancing right now, or staying in at home because we are in lockdown or quarantine, whatever it is in your situation around the world. I know that you guys are probably at home hoping for a little bit of distraction. It's so good to be informed and listen to your local governments, to the medical professionals around you, but also to take some time to indulge in lighthearted content and just, you know, distract yourselves from so much uncertainty and anxiety that's happening right now, because it's important to take care of our mental health too right now. So let me know what kind of content I could create for you that would be enjoyable. I know on Instagram a lot of you said to keep doing this kind of content because it's a nice distraction, but I really am open to any of your suggestions. Let me know below what else you'd like to see, and I will hopefully produce a couple more videos a week than normal, and we can all keep each other company during this crazy time. Alright, I guess this is it. I don't really want to say goodbye. This has been really enjoyable company, so I hope you liked it too. I hope you guys are staying really safe and well. Please stay inside where you can, and if you are going to work still, I hope that you are staying safe. I hope you can stay very healthy. Guys, eat good food, get your exercise in, and stay happy and sane. I love you all so much. If you want to hang out on Instagram, I will post it every single day. And if not, I will see you on my next video. Let me know what you want that to be. All right, bye. Mwah.